There we'll see how the work is progressing. Ah, there. That's this skeleton with 1,000 pins on it. Let's see. Huh. So I wonder how oh, I see. So that's just 1x. Now this is a sound test to see how good the sound is for what we're doing. Wow, I didn't know I could go into there. Okay, what we have there is a Viking ship that's shooting rooster tails. It's a movie or a painting I made a few years back. Not bad. And that is the Spitting Dragon. Yeah, I know. It's all parked in the back. Well, what else? What else do we have? If I pull both of those, there's another picture of another painting I made of a ship. This is sort of got the roof is peeled back, so you can see the upside down ship's boat in there. And this one has always been one of my favorites. If we could make if we have the oars lashed in place, sticking out through the shields, and then have oar sails underneath it, there would be a great place to sleep on the top of the oars on like a tight canvas or something. That's what that is made to depict. No comment on this one. That's a really early painting, and I didn't know how anything worked. This is going to take some explaining. Well, the main thing you can see is the boat. There were 2 boats found with the Augsburg, and when I made models of them, it turned out one fit in front of the mast and one fit in back of the mast. And it occurred to me that I'd always felt that the Augsburg, the thing lacking was a decent shelter, and I believe that that takes care of it. These yellow things are depicting a cover that would go all along, and I'm just showing a few samples. The blue would be an inner cover that goes straight down alongside the small boats. And so you could probably walk between here pretty easily. Here it would be pretty tight, but as long as the blue things weren't tight, there would be room to walk through there. And this is where the rudder goes, so the helmsman has a fairly sheltered place here. And the sails, there would be 30 columns like this of 5 running along, on 15 on each side, and then there would be the ones that went in between. There would be 4 of them, 2, 4, and there would be 14 of those on each side.